What are you doing?
Are you ready to fall?
Oh, that won't be good. It's kind of a fire drop.
Hell yeah.
Holy fuck, this sand is hot. Okay, that doesn't look weird.
No, not at all.
Are you trying to fix that swing that you fucked up?
Yep.
Felt guilty.
What are you fucking doing? What the fuck?
How's that working for you?
It's doing great.
Don't look down.
That's not far.
It is for me. That's like 5 of me.
Hell yeah.
How are you gonna get down?
I'll tell you in a minute.
It's been a minute. Oh, that hot. Don't fall. I'll have to laugh.
Oh, my cooch. My cooch.
Hey, look, you got a snake again.
Wait, what?
You got a long snake. Yeah. You're a hermaphrodite.
Oh, everybody was on Facebook?
Probably.
Yes. I got a snake.
That's
I
not
wanted
normal.
one of those. You know, so I could pet it and then slide down it later.
Get down.
Oh.
Dude, there's a bubble.
I just gotta try not to kill myself.
Stop. I feel a little anxious
Oh,
now.
my cooch.
Okay, yeah. Don't say that so loud.
I mean, the part of me that should not be hurt. Ow. Okay, I got it.
Oh, yeah. Ride the pole down. That's so weird. Hey, you could be a fireman. And it's off.